We've been farming 37 and a half years now, Martin and I. 10 years ago, we started the whole pig, and then 5 years ago, when our sons both came home to farm, we expanded by starting to grow garlic. We're family-owned and very community-oriented. We are excited to grow food for our community as well as the world.
The main yard and office of McCann Ready Mix have been located in South Huron since the inception of the company, and for that we're truly grateful because South Huron has been a thriving municipality for some time, and that's due to the people that live here, and that's due to the natural resources that we are so lucky to have in our very own backyards. We like to think of ourselves as a diversified construction company in ready mix, aggregate, heavy equipment, and a host of other things. We've had staff here for 25, 30 years. It's a great place to work, so we're definitely looking to train some young local people and get them involved in the construction industry and, you know, show them what it's all about and that it can be a great career for sure.
People drive here from across the country. We've had people here from Lethbridge, Alberta, from Fraser Lake, British Columbia, from Halifax, Nova Scotia, to come and see us here because we are the only ones in Canada that do what we do. We build custom-made finger splints for long-term finger disabilities. We have potential for other therapists to come and join us, hand therapists, occupational therapists. We have the opportunity to open up a second shop. We're booked up with clients 6 to 8 weeks in advance. The nice thing about Exeter is that you get to know people, right? And people want to get to know you.
Being, in South Huron and having that agricultural foundation, we can actually drive right out to the farms, get some hands-on with the equipment, learn what's going on if there's problems, and actually do some research and development based on what we see right there.
Primarily our focus is industrial knitting, filtration fabrics, products for the industrial market.
You know, we've been able to grow into other markets. We've got over 250 active products that we currently make. I am lucky enough to have family start a business, and I look forward to growing the business right here in South Huron.